Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to prepare effective message templates for LinkedIn connections that will boost your lead generation campaigns. If you're looking to save time, stay consistent, and improve your outreach strategy, this video is for you. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for professional networking and lead generation. However, crafting personalized messages every time can be time-consuming. That's where message templates come in handy. Why use message templates? Using message templates saves you time, ensures your communication is consistent, and makes your outreach more efficient. Before we dive into creating templates, here are some tips to keep in mind. Always personalize at least the first sentence. Get to the point quickly, encourage a response or next step. Not only thanking clients and requesting to accept them, you can send some articles which are useful for your clients to engage more with them and make a business relationship. Let's break down the components of a successful LinkedIn message template. I have given you some examples along with the message types, so it will be easy for you to categorize your message templates. The advantage of these templates is that you can send messages to multiple clients by just copy-pasting them and changing the name only. Type your templates and save them with you for your future use. Let's explore some examples of message templates. When sending connection requests, you can use this template. You can craft your own message of choice after getting a slight idea from this tutorial. When you find a person you spoke before on LinkedIn, you can send a connection request like this. Once you connected with a person, you can send them a thanking message to keep in touch with your lead. To wrap up, here are some final tips. Always personalize your messages, send follow-up messages at appropriate intervals, and maintain a professional yet approachable tone. And that's it. Using these templates, you can streamline your LinkedIn outreach and improve your lead generation efforts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with any questions or tips you have. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your lead generation.